Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good in health, safe and healthy at your places. So in today's video, we will be covering up the new topic that is punctuation. I hope many of you must know that what is punctuation. I will be writing some of the punctuation marks on my screen and you need to comment me in the comment box that what it is. And side by side, we will also be covering with capital letters, where to use and when to use. Okay, so number one is full stop, number two is question mark, number three is comma, and number four is exclamation or exclamatory mark. So we will be covering these four and the capital letter. Now let's move. Punctuation marks. Read the sentences. Where did Mohan go? Mohan went to a hill station during the holidays. On Monday, he went with his brother Sumit and his pet dog Bobo for a walk to a nearby pond. Now we have noticed that in the above sentences, capital letters, full stops, question marks have not been used at all. So let's see the correct one. Okay. So now read the sentences again. Where did Mohan go? We are asking a question. Where did Mohan go? That's why we have put question mark. And the first word of the first sentence starts with the letter capital. Okay, that's why we have capitalized the letter W. Now, Mohan is a special name or a proper noun. So that's we have capitalized the letter M as well. Same in the next, we have capitalized M. Mohan went to a hill station during the holidays. Now it is a normal sentence, just put full stop. On Monday, he went with his brother Sumit and his pet dog Bobo for a walk to a nearby pond. Now, on is the first word. That's why I have capitalized O. Monday is the name of a day, and he went with his brother Sumit. Now we are telling that with his brother Sumit and his pet dog Bobo. That's why I put comma in between. Okay, for walk to a nearby pond, and after that we put full stop. Now these sentences are correct and making sense. These are telling us where to pause, where to stop, and where to start the sentence. Now, punctuation marks tells us the meaning of the sentence and write them correctly. Let's see where to use capital letters. We use capital letter to, number one, write the first word of the sentence or a question. For example, he bought an ice cream. What is your name? We have capitalized. You can see they are highlighted with red color. Write the pronoun I. For example, Sam and I play with toys. I can see a little turtle in the sea. Now, we have to also capitalize the pronoun I. If you are noticing one more thing, that we have put full stop at the end of the every sentence. Okay, and here we are asking that what's your name? That's why we put question mark. Next, read in special names or a proper noun of people, pet animals, and birds. Virat Kohli is the captain of the Indian cricket team. My pet Jackson is 2 years old. Dodo the parrot loves to eat chilies. Virat Kohli is the special name, that's why we have capitalized it. And I'll tell you why we have capitalized Indian. Indian is a nationality. It will also come in our slides. Okay, I'll tell you that. My pet Jackson is 2 years old. Now, Jackson is again a special name. Dodo the parrot loves to eat chilies. Now, Dodo is the name of a parrot. Next, write the special names of places like cities, towns, countries, and roads in capital. For example, cities and towns. Agra, Jaipur, Indore, countries like India, Sri Lanka, Australia, roads. Mal Road, Shahjahan Road, Safdarjung Road. Okay, so R will also be in capital. Keep in your mind. Okay, now next is write the special names of places like lakes, rivers, seas, ocean, and mountains also in capital. Okay. For example, lakes, Mani Lake, Dal Lake, Pushkar Lake. L will also be in capital. Rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Chenab. Seas, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, and the Andaman Sea. And see, the S will be also in capital. Oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Ocean will also be in capital. Mountains, the Himalayas, the Aravalli, and the Satputra. Next. Write the special names of places like monuments and schools. For example, the India Gate, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Schools, Queen Mary School, Bal Bharti Public School, and Pathway School. S will also be in capital of school. Write the names of the months of the year and the days of the week also in capital. For example, we celebrate Mother's Day on the second Sunday of May. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th December every year. February is the shortest month of the year. Okay, so the days of the week and months will also in capital. Next, write the names of the special holidays and festivals in capital. For example, Holi is the festival of colors. Independence Day is our national festival. Dashara marks the victory of good over evil. So special holidays and festival also in capital. If you can see, we have capitalized the C as well. I have not highlighted it. Why? Because it is not in the slide, it's in the next one. Okay, let's move forward now. Write the names of the specific languages and nationalities that I told you in the Indian cricket team one. People in India speak different languages, Hindi, Tamil, Bengali. So specific languages will also be in capital and then nationalities as well. Like Tom is an American. I'm proud to be an Indian. Okay. Next. Full stop. A full stop is used, is also called a period, and it indicates a long pause. It tells us that a sentence has come to an end and that we should stop. It is used at the end of a sentence. For example, I bought my car in June. The kitten plays with a ball. There is a rainbow in the sky. Okay, after every end of the sentence, we use full stop. How we will use full stop? Just make a dot like this. Okay, just put your pencil or pen like this. This is a full stop. Okay, see, like this. If you can see on my screen. Next, question mark. A question mark is used at the end of the sentence when something is asked. Question marks is also used at the end of the sentence, but when something is asked we use. जब हमसे कोई question पूछा जाता है तब हम question mark use करते हैं. For example, where is my book? What time does the bus arrive? Do you like to eat vegetables? Okay, so like this. I'll tell you how to use question mark. You have to just do a round and a little like this and a dot like this. Nothing else. Let's move forward now. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used when we express strong or a sudden feeling as a joy, excitement, wonder, or sadness. For example, what a beautiful flower. Now we are expressing our feeling. How lovely the rain is. Again, we are expressing our feeling. Wow, what a pretty dress it is. Whenever we are expressing our feeling, like joy, excitement, wonder, sadness, we will use exclamation mark. Let me tell you how to mark exclamation. Just put a line like this, and after that, put a dot like this. Just that's it. Okay. Next, comma. A comma indicates a short pause. Okay, now a comma indicates a short pause, but a full stop indicates a long pause. It is used to separate three or more items in a list given in a sentence. The last two words are connected by the by the word and. Okay, by the word and. For example, my dog likes to run, swim, play, and sleep. It says that we use comma for a short pause and it is used to separate three or more items in a list. Like run is number 1, swim is number 2, and play is number 3, and that is number 4. And at the end it says by the last two words we have to connect and. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here. So what we'll do is we will simply put comma and at the last two words we use and. It could be 5 items or more than 5. Okay, like my dog loves to. Suppose if there is one more thing instead of full stop, just assume full stop is not there, like dance. So what we'll do is we'll not put comma, we will put and we will write dance. Okay, and dance, and over here we will put comma. We will put a comma. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. How will you put comma? Let's see that. Just put a dot and do like this. put a dot like this and do like this. Okay. Now we have a horse, a cow, a pig, duck on a farm. Now we have connected the last two words with the word and. Mango, lychee, watermelon, and muskmelon are my favorite fruits. Okay, let's move to the next. So we have reached to the end of our slides, and this is one exercise for you. It contains only 5 questions, so you can do that. You can take a screenshot for it. And in my next video, I will discuss this exercise with you. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video. Thank you.